should know these points. Fine, Daniel. The next one will be after data analysis operation. The next one will be data visualization. Chapter sir, data visualization. Visualization actually. To do the data visualization, you need to install a library. That library name is called as a Matplotlib or what exactly? Seaborn actually. What exactly mean? Seaborn. Any library. Both we are going to work actually. Both we are going to work. Okay. Daniel, after this, I wanted to do kind of some prediction over the data. Predictions. What do you mean by predictions? We'll see in a later. Machine learning, you need to apply. What we need to apply? To apply the machine learning, there is a topic. The topic name is a scikit-learn. Library name is called as a scikit-learn. One more time. Scikit-learn. One more time. Scikit actually. SI. So Sci means scientific. Kit means what exactly? We'll get a group of classes, functions, methods. These are all things actually. Yeah, we understand, Daniel. Then next one will be kind of some certain operations I wanted to apply. What I wanted to apply, generate the data. What exactly? Generate the data actually. If you wanted to generate the data, you need to apply Gen AI. You need to apply what mean? Gen AI. Gen AI. That's the main motto. I hope you understand this point actually. So currently we are here. Data visualization. Data what exactly mean? Visualization. Daniel, what do you mean by data visualization? Sir, data visualization means we have a data. We have what exactly? Data actually. Data. If you apply pandas, if you apply what exactly mean pandas, maximum what you can do, minimum value you can find. First of all, it is number. It is what exactly? Number. Maximum value you can do, you can find. Again, it is what exactly, sir? Number. Sum you can apply. Some value you can apply. Maximum again, it is what exactly? Number. But sir, there is a data. Yeah, Daniel. So I have applied Matplotlib. I have applied what mean? Matplotlib. Results. You can see like images. You can see like what exactly mean? Images or graphs actually. Visualization. We can see. Sometimes when I say number, to understand the number, we need to apply common sense. Wherever number came, sometimes comparison. Sometimes what mean? Minimum value, maximum value, comparison. But if you visualize the data, especially this visualization is helping to non-technical guys actually, non-technical persons. To whom actually? Non-technical. Let me tell you, maybe yesterday we already started the discussion. I need to continue from. No questions online. Move on. We covered. What are all advantages? By using this, we can find trends, patterns, relationships, frequency. Got few examples. So seems to be this is the data. Think like a data frame. Think like what man? Data frame actually. Yeah, good. There is a first column flavor. So what kind of data? There is a ice cream details. Every end of the day or every weekly, every monthly ice cream parlors, which is so called as a nearby there is a cream stone actually, right? So ice cream parlors, they will do kind of some analysis actually. Which flavor selling more actually? 62. Which one is a 62 Sajid? Chocolate. Next one vanilla 22, strawberry 20. From this they will understand. They can understand import and export actually. So we need to import chocolate more. We need to import what man? Chocolate more. Why? Because it is selling more. It is selling more actually. More to the discussion. From this data, can we draw a diagram? Yes, this is so called as a pie chart. What chart man? Yes, we can create actually. These are all things are possible. Move on. Yeah, from this, see man. Here, number comparison, but here, just like a big box and small box actually. Which one is a big one actually? Chocolate. More portion. This one is I would like to say more portion actually. Okay? Yeah. Next one, bar chart. Man, we already done. Monthly sales, daily sales. Did you remember? Just recently we done actually. So imagine there is a 1 year data. Somebody have given. You join in a company is assigned 1 year data. If you visualize it, you will come to know clear picture which month lesser sales, which month more sales, and even from this you will get to know clear picture. First to 3 months, I mean to say first quarter, first to 3 months actually, the business is increasing. From the third to fourth, what exactly business is spike actually? I mean sudden increase. Compared to here it is a gradual increase. Here it is what? Gradual and meaning there's a slowly by increasing. But here sudden spike actually. I mean to say, man, suddenly there is a big growth actually, And and next month sales down. Sales what exactly down? And compared to all these things, actually, can you tell me last month more sales? Last 4 months his business is increased actually. Once you submit this kind of report, they will get ready for the next year. Chapter sir, they will get ready for. Yeah, that's the main motto actually. If you know the history, you can understand the future. You can understand what mean future actually. That's the main motto. Submitting the reports. This one also possible. This is kind of some, so monthly wise sales. This one is kind of some product wise sales. A product, Samsung, iPhone, other phones actually, Nokia, Motorola, these are all things. Make a note on this one. A Samsung, just imagine how many sales are 100 devices sold out. The next one, 110 respectively, like that actually. We can do these are all. And yeah, this is so called as a line chart actually. Line chart. Imagine there are two columns, actual data, and here values are missing. Next one will be forecast actually. What do you mean by forecast? Prediction. Chappan sir, let me tell you. In index would have a January to December. I would like to tell there is a one company. That company having the data January to June only. They do have a data. Currently they are running with the month. Month name is so called as a June. Till June the sales is done. Till June the sales is done. They do have a this much data actually, right? Now you have a historical data, right? Do you wanted to do the prediction? Do you wanted to know future months actually? This is so called as a prediction. This is so called as what man? We can do actually. This we are doing in a machine learning. Machine learning, right? Yeah, Daniel, this one is the data, right? This one is what, Sarji? Data. Can we draw the diagram? Yes, we can draw the diagram. We can draw the diagram actually. If you draw the diagram, you will come to know clear picture. Best example, do you know the stocks? Stocks idea on Amico? Yeah. You can just have to get an idea about the stocks. Backend they will apply line chart. Backend they will apply either sales are, so the stock value is increasing, stock value is decreasing. They will come to know actually. January, February, March, and these are all. What is the last one, Sarji? December actually. December. That's what you need to be understand. I'm sorry. Let us talk about out of the box. You should aware about the stocks actually. Imagine మీకు stocks గురించి తెలియాలి. Do you have some 100 rupees? I wanted to invest that 100 rupees in somewhere else actually. With 100 rupees you cannot start the business. With 1000 rupees you cannot start the business. With 1 lakh rupees you cannot start the business. But with 100 rupees you can invest and you can check either you are getting money or you are losing the money. That too losing is not, imagine you invested 100 rupees. You may not lose total 100. You may lose 1 or 2 rupees. But there may be a chance you may gain the money also. Know the stocks. Stocks గురించి మీకు తెలుసుకోవాలి. That is a good practice. Don't invest huge actually. Just try to invest 100 rupees. You will come to know. Daniel, will you do? Yeah, I used to do actually. Are you with me or not, sir? You should know the money flow. Money flow మీకు తెలవాలి actually. That is a good practice. Daniel, can you suggest one app? Go for Grow app actually. What app, sir? Grow అనే ఒక యాప్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ యాప్ లోకి వెళ్ళండి. That is the best one. That is the best one. Are you ready? So, don't ask how to install these are all. Okay. మీకు తెలవాలి సార్. Yeah, move on. Good. Where exactly the kind of some blue line. This one is existing data. Where exactly dot notation. This is so called as a future data, future analysis, forecasting, prediction. Okay. Then yes, exactly. Till what exactly, sir? June would have a data. Please focus on this one. Till June would have a data. Actually. From July, this is completely prediction. This is completely what exactly, sir? Prediction actually. Prediction always representing with the dot notation. Okay. So now please make a note. Business started from here. It is traveling upward direction. What direction? Upward direction. Business is increasing. Business is what mean? Increasing. In terms of the business, any company, there are only 3 scenarios. మూడు scenarios ఉంటాయి. One, either business sales will be increase. Scenario number 1. Scenario number 2, business sales will be decrease. Scenario number 3, maybe stable. Maybe what mean? Stable, neutral, stable, constant. These are all things actually. Only 3. You tell me any company supposed to get ready for 3 things actually. Either their money will be increase, or their money will be decrease, or their money will be stable actually. Stable. Any company, they believe these 3 patterns actually. Now theory is over, sir. So we supposed to start actually. Yeah, let me start. I'm sorry. Last point. I told learn stocks, right? Learn stock marketing. Stock marketing గురించి నేర్చుకోమన్నాను కదా. Don't focus much actually. You can just try to install. There is a app name is a Grow. Don't play or don't invest your money on intraday actually. What exactly man? Intraday అనే ఒక ఆప్షన్ ఉంటుంది. అక్కడ మాత్రం don't touch actually. Don't touch that actually. Daniel, why? You will come to know later. Are you with me? Good. Make a note on this one. Move on. Where are we? Yeah. Back to the session. Data science libraries. Data science, what exactly mean? Data science libraries actually. Data science libraries. These are all. Daniel, the first one, I wanted to do the data analysis. I wanted to do what meant? Data analysis actually. Can I explain from scratch? Okay. Being a data scientist, we need to write a program. Do you need to write a program? Then you need to install Python. You need to install what? Python. Daniel, I just wanted to data analysis. I wanted to do what exactly man? Data analysis. If you wanted to do data analysis, you need to install Pandas. You need to install Pandas. How to install Pandas? Yeah, very good. Same thing like that. I just wanted to do the data visualization. You need to install library. You need to install what man? Library. This is so called as a install. These are all install. You know, the required installation is required actually. So data visualization in the sense what exactly, no sir? Matplotlib. Maybe tomorrow we are going to work with Seaborn actually. Today let us start with the library which is so called as a Matplotlib. What is the library name? Daniel, how to install? It's a very simple. You just need to write install. Environment setup. Pip install. Pip what exactly? Install Matplotlib. Matplot what exactly? Lib. There is an interview question. This is the way we can install one library at a time, right? What is that interview question? Interview question. How to install multiple packages? Interview question. Did I cover that? Oh, then not required. Cover cheyaledanukunna. Okay. Imagine if you wanted to install multiple libraries. I came across either, so how to, anyway, let me cover. Few guys might be not aware. Interview question. How to install multiple libraries? How to install multiple libraries actually. Multiple what exactly mean? Libraries. Pip install Pandas if you want Matplotlib, and if you want Seaborn actually. If you want what exactly mean? Seaborn. While installing these are all, this should be space separated. What separated, Anna? Space separated. This is the command. Okay. Now, then can I first let me uninstall Matplotlib in front of you. I can install actually. Now there is one new interview question. Let me cover. New interview question. I'm sure this question might not covered actually. If you install Matplotlib, or else you already installed Pandas, right? Where Pandas will store in your laptop? Did you cover? Now let me cover. The question will be: imagine we run below command. What is the command name? Either pip install Pandas or pip install what exactly? Matplotlib. Chapter sir, Matplotlib actually. Now here is a question. In our computer, where these libraries will be stored? Will be what exactly mean stored? That's the entire question. Imagine you install Python. Python will be stored in C drive. Same thing like that. You are installing Pandas. You are installing Matplotlib. Let me know the location where it is storing in your laptop actually. During interview, they may ask a question. But even if they didn't ask, you should have actually. It's a right time. You can easy to understand. See, first answer. While installing, we can observe the path. We can observe what exactly mean path actual. మనం path observe చేయొచ్చు. It will tell while installing. It will tell I'm trying to installing this library in so and so location. It will tell actual, right? Now let me just try to install. You will get an idea. First let me uninstall. In uninstall చేస్తాను చూడండి. Pip uninstall Matplotlib. Oh no. Some mistake actually. Spell mistake. No, it is valid. Matplot. Oh. No, right. Good. this is the path. Anyway, let me show you during installation. Uninstallation కాదు, installation time లో చూపిస్తాను చూడండి. You should remember one thing. What you need to remember, the path. Dot. There is a folder. That folder name is a site-packages folder. All third-party libraries, it will be stored here actually. So pandas will be stored here, and even matplotlib also will be stored here actually. Matplotlib. In future, are you installing any library? Every library, they will be installed in one folder. That folder name is a site-packages. Chappan sir. One more time. Site-packages. I will show you this. Don't worry. I will show you this. Easy. Very easy, sir. Data science is very easy. Trust me, it is very easy. If you are regular to the session. Yep. Now if you want, let me read in the comment one more time. You may get a warning, not installed actually. All right. Now in my laptop, matplotlib is not available. Can you help me how to install? One more time. Pip install matplotlib. Yeah. So hold on. Collecting matplotlib and see, this is the path you need to cross verify exactly. Ee path ni meer check cheyali from here to here. Now you can just try to capture here. This is the path actually. What is the path? In your computer, C drive. C is the drive which is point of location for all installed softwares actually. Next one, users. Next one, Daniel, app data, local, programs, Python. Okay. Though you are using pip command belongs to the Python. Belongs to what, man? Python. All libraries, whatever you are installing, it will be stored inside Python folder. It will be stored inside which folder, sir? Python. Next one will be Python 3.11 actually. This is the stable version I'm using, but you can see Python 13 in your laptop actually. Python 13 actually. That's still okay. Python 13 or 12. Lib. The next one is, what is the folder name? Site-packages. Site-package. Hey Daniel, can I enter into that location? Yeah, you can enter. You can just have to copy if you want to, from here. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వరకు కాపీ చేద్దాం చూడండి. Then we'll enter into manually enter అవుదాం అవసరం అయితే. Copy that. Windows, command prompt, enter here. Now search for the path actually. What is the path, sir? Next, Python. Click on this. What is the next one? 311 actually. What is the next one? Library. What is the next one? Site-package. You have to cross verify. Exactly, sir. Exactly. Now open this. Just know what I have installed chaptara. Matplotlib. You can just have to cross verify. M actually. Matplotlib. Exactly. Did you notice what is the today time? What is the today date actually? 11/21/2025 9:52. Just 2 minutes back I have installed actually. This is the way. All libraries are you installing? Yeah, Daniel, I'm installing. Then the location will be so and so. What is the last folder name? Pandas. When we installed, search pandas appudu install chesamante so and so date, including it capture the date. When you install, it captures the date actually. Team, are you clear? Yeah, let's move on. The last, you may get this error, you can ignore, but you're supposed to see successfully installed actually. Man, matplotlib installation is done. Installation is done. Good, get ready to understand. Let's move on. So the point will be, let me cover hello world example actually. Hello world example. Okay, good. Hey Daniel, in Python, what is a hello world example? Just like a printing hi, displaying hi message. Displaying what, Saji? Display hi. Hi or hello message actually. Hello text. Daniel, in pandas, what is a hello world example? What is a hello world example in pandas, Saji? create either series or data frame. Either series or what man? Data frame. That is a basic example. Hello example. Same thing like that. In Matplotlib, what is a hello example? Create a line chart. Create what man actually? Line chart or line graph actually. Okay. In Matplotlib, I wanted to write a basic example. I wanted to write a hello example. Hello example in Matplotlib is create a graph. How to create a graph? Let me tell you. Are you clear, Sarchi? Move on. So the first point, first topic, line chart. What is line chart? I will talk with you later. Tarvata maatladadam dani gurinchi. But let me show you how to draw the diagram. So get ready, sir. Please get ready. This theory you can ignore. Trust me, I will cover here. I will be back here actually. Okay, this is the code, Sarchi. This is the code. Get ready. Why red color? If you don't know that is keyword, you are not Daniel student actually. Meek adi keyword ana vishayam teliyapothe ganaka meer I'm sorry, you are not Daniel student. Right. Import. Let me tell you what we installed. Can you tell me? Matplotlib. Matplotlib is the main package. Inside main package there is another package that is so called as a sub package. What package man? That sub package name is called as a pyplot. Chappan sir. Pyplot. Matplotlib dot pyplot. One more time. Matplotlib dot. One more time. Matplotlib dot pyplot. You should remember. Plotting means drawing, creating images, creating a drawing actually, right? So you are going to create a drawings or images. Import matplotlib dot pyplot. So plot word here we do have, plot over here we do have actually. Import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Hey Daniel, this kind of structure where you covered actually. Anna, where you covered, go to the Python. Topic name is a packages. What is the topic name? If you understand packages topic, you will understand what it is actually. All right, let's move on. I have a question for you. What is as plt? Aliasing. If you didn't alias this, what happened? Every time you need to call matplotlib.pyplot, matplotlib.pyplot. Yes, sir. Takes a lot of time. Chala time paduthu. Then create a x and y. Create what man? Let me tell you. In this total universe, do you want to draw some diagrams actually? Then you should know two dimensions. One is x dimension, x direction. Next one is y direction. You need x axis. You need what man? Y axis. That is a 2D diagrams. We can draw 3 diagrams also. 3D. What do you mean by 3D? Z axis also will involve. I will show you. In Chubis a few examples actually. Okay. Yeah, good. First to prepare to list x equals to 5,6, y equals to 5,6 actually. And now hold the code. E code hold chain. Oh, great, sir. Let me tell you. So this one is x axis. This one is what man? X axis. This one is called as a y axis. Daniel, within the box I wanted to draw one line actually. One straight line I wanted to draw. What I wanted to draw, straight line. Hold on. Imagine you have written a program. Program in where? In Python I have written, Daniel. If you have written in Python, then you can see in command prompt actually. You can see in command prompt is an output. And here kind of some text message. I mean to say text message is output actually. What is a output? Saji chaptara? Text message is output. Daniel, there is a pandas. Okay. Maybe kind of some table format is output. Chapana sir? Why? Because I am talking about the data frame. Daniel, matplotlib. What exactly mean? Matplotlib, sir. Output is image. Let me tell you. Output is quite interesting. We are going to run a program. If you run Python program, mostly displays the text in command prompt. If you run a pandas example, mostly displays on table format. But if you run matplotlib example, output is not a text format. Output is not a number. Output is image. Output is what man? So the point is, run a program, you can see output is in image format actually. That image I'm going to display. In that image you can see x-axis. Next one is what exactly man? Y-axis. Good. In x-axis, can you tell me what is the starting point actually? 5.0. What is the frequency? 5. This one is a 6 actually. In between 5.2, 5.4, 5.5, 5.6. These are all you no need to tell actually. What is the minimum value? Can you tell me? 5. What is the maximum value? 6 actually. Go to the x-axis value. Matplotlib will analyze what is the x minimum value, what is the x maximum value. In between, it will take the frequency. In between, it will start, so from where to where, either 0.2, 0.5, 0.6, it takes care automatically. That one you need to tell. మనం చెప్పాల్సిన పని లేదు. On y-axis also, what is the value? 5, 6. On x-axis, what is the pointer location? Actually 5. On y-axis, what is the pointer location? 5. 5, 5. This one is the pointing location. Okay, nice. This is the point. Are you talking about this point x, y? What is the x value, Sarji? 5. What is the y value? 5. Great. The next one. What is the next point, Sarji? 6, 6. I can take different values also, don't worry actually. On x-axis, go to the 6. Yes, Daniel, this one is the point of the location. On y-axis also, you can just have to look at this one. This is the 6 value actually. Are you with me? Good. Let's just have to write this example. Okay. PLT dot, yes, alias name dot. Man, listen carefully. I have a question for you. Alias name. With alias name, you are calling something which is having parenthesis. What it is? Very good. What it is? Function. One more time. Function actually. Did you remember import pandas as a PD? PD dot read underscore CSV. Function. PD dot read underscore JSON. Function. Same thing like that. With alias name, you are calling something which is having parenthesis. Function. First, you should recognize that. Topic is the next actually. Either it is a function or class. Class name always starts with what? Capital letter actually. మీకు అది ఐడియా ఉండాలి. ఓకే, హోల్డ్ ఆన్, మీకు ఒక కోడ్ చూపిస్తాను చూడండి. Quantum computing, you don't know. No need to know also. Python example. Sample Python example. Good. Trust me, you don't know quantum computing, right? Yeah, see. From Qiskit, import. Can you guess what it is actually? Starting with the capital letter. What it is? Class. Yeah, very good. If you know what is a class, then you can easy to understand. Unknown libraries also very easily. Seems to be the whole line. Can you guess actually? Beautiful. That's what you have to be strong in Python. You have to be strong in what, man? Python actually, right? Importing a class, creating an object. Yeah. With object name, you are calling something which is having parenthesis. What it is? Did you understand power of Python actually? That's the beauty. If you know Python, unknown things you can understand like this actually. You don't know quantum. This is one of the major example in quantum computing. That's why I never fear, I never scare for any new library. Why? Because my root is very strong. What is my root? You understand. మీకు అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నాను. So you also please be strong in Python. Please be strong in what, sir? Sir, I'm repeating. If you are very good in Python, let me tell you, anything you can learn. మీరు ఏదైనా నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. Right? So anyway, let me stop my overaction. This is not required actually for you. Where are we, Daniel? Alias name, we are accessing something function. Plot is a function. Plot is a function. By using that, we can draw a line graph. We can draw what, man? Line graph actually. Yeah, let me just try to execute this example. You will get an idea. The very basic example I'm going to write. The very basic example. Okay? Import matplotlib.pyplot as a PLT. X equals to 5, 6. Y also. Sir, what it is? ఇదేంటి చెప్పండి? List. What it is? List actually. You should know. PLT dot, you need to call a function. Function name is a plot. X, y we need to specify. What we need to specify? X, y. Good. Yeah. Indirectly we are asking, take X value and Y value. I mean to say 5 to 5. 1 point actually. 6 to 6. Another point. If you want, you can draw another diagram also. Yeah, you can. You have successfully created a plot actually. I mean to say line graph you have created. But once you created a line graph, do you wanted to see output actually? Yeah, Daniel, I wanted to see output. There is one more extra function we need to call. That function name is called as a PLT dot show. PLT dot what, man? show. Once you call, yeah, show is a function. Show is what, man? Once you call the show function, you can see the output search. You can see what, man? Output. ఇప్పుడు మీకు అవుట్పుట్ చూపిస్తుంది, మీరు చూడొచ్చు. It takes some కొంచెం టైం పడుతుంది, don't worry. Yeah, did you notice? If you guys are not looking, yeah, look at my screen. Let me run one more time. Previously, if I run program, here itself you can see output actually, kada? But now you can see image as a output. Image as what, man? Output actually. This is the image format output actually. Are you clear? First of all, good. Now what is the starting point? We can do a lot actually. Here x-axis name we can specify, y-axis name you can specify, here you can give star symbol. Many things we can do. I'm explaining from scratch nunchi explain chestam. Move on. Daniel, this is the point 5,5. This is the point what, man? 5,5. Throughout the diagram you can move your cursor here actually. You can kindly please make a note. రైట్ సైడ్ బాటమ్, లుక్ ఎట్ ద స్క్రీన్ యాక్చువల్లీ. రైట్ సైడ్ బాటమ్ మీరు ఇలా మూవ్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఆటోమేటిక్ గా పొజిషన్స్ వాల్యూస్ చేంజ్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి. యూ కెన్ సీ దట్ యాక్చువల్లీ డైనమికల్లీ వాల్యూస్ ఆర్ చేంజింగ్, రైట్? ఐ మీన్ టు సే హియర్, నేను ఇక్కడ చెప్తున్నాను, రైట్ సైడ్ బాటమ్, రైట్ సైడ్. మీరు ఇక్కడ చూస్తున్నారు కొంతమంది, ప్లీజ్ రైట్ సైడ్ అంటే ఇది. ఐఎమ్ సారీ, యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ మూవ్ ఆన్. దిస్ వన్ ఇస్ అ పాయింట్ అండ్ దిస్ వన్ ఇస్ అ పాయింట్. లైన్ చార్ట్, వాట్ చార్ట్, మెన్? Line chart actually. Good. Let's just, Daniel, this image, can I save it actually? Yes, you can save it. By default it is giving the name as a figure 1, and if you want you can click on save, and so you will get the same name here. What is the name is available here, the same name, but if you want you can rename. So I mean to say image 1, images, okay, image 1 I have saved successfully. Once you have saved successfully, what happen, Sachi? You can just have to go to your your computer. Image is saved actually. That image you can just have to load. Can I drink water? Yeah, exactly. There are few points we have to be aware. Make a note on this. Everybody look at my screen, please. First example, creating line chart. Creating what's up? Line chart or line graph. Anything you can say. There are few important points we have to be aware. Keynotes actually. Everybody look at my screen. When I say keynote, important. First point. In Notepad, if you are writing a program in Notepad actually, especially Matplotlib, plt.show is mandatory. Is what exactly mean? Mandatory. You should write. If you didn't written, no Daniel, I will not write. In Rhino, in Jarutundi. I'm sorry. No image output actually. Children, I didn't written show. If you are not inviting the show will not start actually. I mean to say image you cannot get. But let me tell you, in Jupyter, show is optional. In what, man? Jupyter. plt.show is optional. Is what, man? Optional actually. You should have a keynote. Actually. Repeating again. Are you writing program in a Notepad actually? Notepad. Yeah, Daniel, I'm writing a program in Notepad. Then show is mandatory. Chappan sir, show is. But are you writing program in Jupyter? Daniel, can you write quickly? Yeah, I can write. Jupyter telusu kada? Yeah. Maybe Daniel, I hope he covered, I guess. You can just try to go to here, sample. I can open Jupyter quickly. Can somebody help me? How to open Jupyter? Thank God you remembered actually. Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is the command. Online team, how are you? Are you following? చెప్పండి, ఆన్లైన్ టీం మాట్లాడండి. ఎందుకంటే మీ ఫేస్లు నేను చూడలేను ఎలాగో. సయ్యద్ గారు థ్యాంక్ యూ, తేజశ్రీ, చిన్మయ్, గౌతమి, అభిషేక్ సార్. గుడ్, వెరీ నైస్. Okay, I believe who are all responded, they are listening. Who are all not responded, you guys are sleeping, I guess actually. Okay, fine then, let's move on. Yeah, I have opened Jupyter. I am just kidding, please don't be serious. I have opened Jupyter and go to the new. Click on Python. By this time you should know these are all. Yes, let's test actually either it is really working or not. Print. Hello. Click on run. First of all, it is working. Now copy the code actually. Copy the code. Can I ask you one question? Am I writing show? No. Are we calling show actually? No. Run the code. Show is optional here. You can see the output here actually. You can see the output here. Are you with me or not, sir? మీరు సైజ్ ఇంకా కావాలంటే రెడ్యూస్ చేయొచ్చు. There is a few more predefined functions you can call actually. If you want, you can download this one also. Yeah, not required, sir. These are all. Can I continue? Yeah, move on. Yo, I have closed the code. Go back to the session. There is one more keynote actually. What is the next keynote, you know? Especially, are you working with Notepad actually? Yeah, Daniel. First point. So in Notepad and command prompt. In Notepad and what exactly mean? Command prompt actually. Command prompt. Now, so please make a note on this one. What happened, you know? You can just have to come here. Open the code actually. Please open the code. I have opened the code actually, Daniel. Do you wanted to see output actually? Japan sir, plt dot show. I'm repeating again. There are two predefined functions. First one is a plot. Two parameterized function. I mean to say parameterized function which is having two parameters. You know, two parameters actually. Two parameters. But show no parameters, zero parameter, right? Can I call this code actually? Can I run this program? Yes. We have called successfully show function and you can just have to see this. Okay. Yeah, one small point. What you need to understand is, imagine if you're getting output like an image actually, image, backend command prompt, backend what exactly mean? Command prompt, and it will be keep on blink actually. It will be keep on blink. What do you mean by that? Previously one student, he is thinking something happened to his command prompt. Why? Because it is not coming to the next line. He's trying his best. He's so typing. He minimized it actually. Next day he came and he asked actually. So the point is, until you open this, you close this image, you cannot see the next command prompt. So where it is pointing actually. I believe you understand. It is stuck actually in between. Yeah. Did you notice? These are all I typed actually. Did you understand or not, sir? Let me run one more time. Kangar vaduddu, don't worry. Where is command prompt? Where it went actually? No. It didn't went to anywhere. Do you wanted to see the next steps actually in command prompt? Previously, automatically you're supposed to see all this command here actually. Am I right? But why it is blinking? Sir? You are running data visualization code actually, and here you can see here. Are you with me or not, sir? Until you close. Once you close, automatically command prompt, it is in active mode actually. Now the command prompt is closed. Program closed. Now you can, work with the other commands actually. Team, you understand, I guess. Can I continue? Move on. Once we close the program, close the image, then it will be normal mode actually. Normal mode actually. You please make a note on this one. Otherwise, and here you can give small hint actually. Please look at image. Look at what mean? Look at image actually. Look at image. So that we are giving small hint. Oh, look at him. Oh, మనం ఇమేజ్ చూడాలనుకుంటాను మనకు ఒక స్మాల్ హింట్ వస్తుంది. Are you clear, sir? Yeah. So once you close this, then yeah. Now I didn't give even explanation. What is a line graph? It's a right time I need to talk actually. Can you tell me plot is a function? Plot is what? Function. By using that, we can create a line graph. By using that, we can create. You can just have to walk through this. Now it's the right time. Go back to the session. A line chart or line graph is a type of the chart. Okay. which displays information as a series of data points connected by a straight line. Connected by what, man? Straight line. Imagine you have a 2 points, point 1 and point 2. Do you want to draw any kind of some line? 3 points, 4 points, up to you. You have to use line chart. Line chart is often used to visualize trend in a data over intervals of the time. By using this, you will understand what is a trend. Trend actually. Move to the discussion. You please let me know what is the difference between previous diagram and this diagram. Exactly. The data points where it is exactly what you have, and here you can see kind of some highlighting point actually. A star you can see. Star you can see. Right? Same copy paste code search. What is the change here? You need to tell me. What is the change? That's what you need to tell. Marker I know. So I'm sorry for telling, right? What is the new topic here? You know, sir, keyword augment. I'm repeating again. In Python, we have seen keyword augment. Pandas, we have seen keyword augment. Matplotlib also we are seeing keyword augment. Trust me, tomorrow Seaborn also we are going to see keyword augment. In last 2 days session also we can see keyword augment. When I was explaining about the keyword augment, I used one statement. That statement will be keyword augment more than 1000 times we are going to see. More than 1000 times, right? The topic is very, very important. And marker equals to, and here star symbol we need to provide. Let me just try to provide. Where is the code actually? And you can just try to come here, Sarji. Marker equals to within double quote, and you can provide the star symbol. Let me just try to run the code, Sarji. Yeah, Daniel, we understand. Nice. Just slowly by slowly we are modifying the code. First, you should know the basic template. Then you can apply modifications automatically. Can I get a response from you? Who's this? Apply marker. Man, easy, very easy. Oh, previously only 2 data points. Now maybe 1, 2, 3. Okay. Look at the diagram and tell me the data points actually. Can you tell me what is the data point here? Look at the diagram. That's what. Don't hurry. Kangar badutte. Kangar badutte. Good. On x-axis, okay, Daniel, x-axis value is the 5. On y-axis, starting is the 6 actually, but you know, you have to take this point actually 5 comma 5. Oh, please guess the data point. The next one, yeah. Can you guess that this data point? Very nice, man. On x-axis value 6, and at the same time y-axis value is the 6. I don't have a scale, I'm sorry. Good, sir. Look at this data point. Can you tell me? 9, 9, 9. And even can you tell me? Now get ready. Same data points what you told. 5 comma 5, 6 comma 6, 9 comma 20. Possible. You can go for decimal value also. You can go for what? Possible. We are seeing these are all value. Okay. Same code. I'm not doing anything. Just increasing the data points. 9 comma 9 comma what, Sarji? 20. 20. 9 comma 20. Do you want to write one more point actually? Daniel, I just wanted to write. It's a kind of some 20 comma. Oh, first let me write this. Let me show you from the document. Look at image. Look at image, Sarji. Yes, exactly. Right? How many data points? 3. 1, 2, 3. If you want here, you can just try to highlight this data point is a 5 comma 5. You can highlight. Sir, everything possible. Everything is possible. Nothing is impossible. You can just try to take this one. Creating a line chart. With the 3 data points. Okay, cool. Let me ask a few questions. Where is my command prompt, man? What happened? I have to close image. I have to close what, man? Image actually. So don't worry. Don't worry. Daniel, I'm performing something. It is not happening anything. Nothing happened. Close image first. Yes, right. The next one. Why no output actually? Can somebody tell me? Imagine if I am running this code. Why no output? Chaptara? Yeah, show is mandatory. What is mandatory, sir? Show is mandatory. Yep. Good. No output until you call plt dot show. Plt dot what mean? Show. But in Jupyter it is an optional. But in Jupyter it is what exactly mean? Optional. Optional. Good. We are good to go. Okay. We can draw 3D diagrams also, but our task is not that one. Being a data scientist, we have to focus more on modeling actually. No, but anyway, let me show you few examples. మీకు నేను కొన్ని examples చూపిస్తాను చూడండి. Matplotlib, and I need 3D diagrams, 3D plots. You can click on this one. This is the good visualization. This one also good, and this is really very good. Enough, I guess. This is something like a ball shape actually. Okay, capture this code, copy this. Don't worry. Just to copy paste actually. Don't look at the event code also. These are all keyword arguments. Tell me, sir. Run the code. This is called as a 3D diagram. Have I written? Did I written the code actually? No, just to copy paste. That to notepad actually. Good. So this is called as a 3D diagram. Daniel, what do you mean by 3D? X-axis, Y-axis, Z-axis. You can just have to move actually like this. Manu ila move cheyochu. No jantar mantar. I'm sorry. Just to we have written a program. We have written what mean? Program to see 3D kind of visualization actually. I can explain later. There are few use cases I will take. I will explain actually. You can write like this. Are you with me? Good. Now, can I show you one more example? This is still 2D, but it behaves like a 3D. You can just try to you can just try to move actually. First year, second year, third year, you can little comparison you can do actually. Man, possible. This with code. We have written a program and we are just trying to drawing images actually. Last example. Yeah, you can just try to bring like this. You can actually. Okay, all good, man, but this is not much important. I will tell you later why it is not important actually. Move to the discussion. Possible, everything is possible. Yeah, 3 data points. Okay, what is the difference between previous one and this one? No, just look at image actually. There is a title. There is what man? Title actually. At top there is a title. Yeah. Do you wanted to give some name actually? Do you wanted to give some what exactly man? Name? Yeah. Can you tell me what is the title here? Title means title only. Function. What exactly? Function. You can just have to copy paste this. Boss, it is a line graph. Yeah. Oh, first of all, where is the code? Capture the code. Daniel, man, here Matplotlib they have used more functional programming approach. They won't like oops, I guess actually. It's okay. Let's run the code. Very nice, sir. Right. So dot data point and line title we are giving. What we are giving? Title. Let me ask you a question. How many functions we are using? 3. 4. Chapandi. Print, title, plot, show. Print is coming from Python. Title, plot, show coming from any idea what it is? Nice. Where are we? Labeling with x-axis. Yeah. We are going to work with few more examples. Now let me tell you what is the difference between the previous example and this example. Yeah, we are giving the name for x-axis and y-axis. So simple. To give the name for x label, next one will be y label. Here, whatever you are, if you want, you can give your name. It will be displayed actually. It will be displayed. Let me just try to take this. Oh, sir, what is x label and y label? Functions. Chapter, sir? Functions actually. These are all predefined functions. Labeling. we are giving x-axis, y-axis, bar graph this role. Okay, creating line graph. Yesterday I have explained one scenario, right? నిన్న ఒక scenario explain చేశాను కదా. Let me take with one small scenario. ఒక చిన్న scenario తీసుకుందాం. Scenario based example. Did you remember yesterday I have taken data? Area. Next one, rice bags. Very good. Rice bags I have taken. What is the area? First value 1, 10, 2, 20, 3, 30, 4, 40. We'll do one thing, sir. Let us create a line graph. Let us create what, man? Then I need your help actually. ఎలా డ్రా చేయాలో మీరు నాకు హెల్ప్ చేయాలి. గుడ్. గెట్ రెడీ సార్. చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ కోడ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ రిటన్. దెన్ యూ కెన్ ఇమాజిన్ దిస్ వన్ ఇస్ ఎక్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ. దీని ఎక్స్ అనుకోండి, దీని వై అనుకోండి. గుడ్. ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ చెప్పండి సార్. ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు చెప్పండి 1, 2, 3, 4. దెన్ వై వాల్యూ. Oh, very good. 10, 20, 30, 40. Then draw the line graph. Can I copy paste actually? Is copy paste cheyamantara? Can I copy paste actually? Yes, I'm very good in that. That's it. Let's draw this one. What I need to change? Okay, make names change cheyala. Instead of x evanukovali, area. Let me give area. This one will be rice bag. Hold on. Please, hold on. Don't worry. Plot. What we need to do? Area. Y value. Rice bag. Area. This one is the area. This one is rice packets. Rice bags. This one is area. Do I need to change anything? No. Can I move on? Title. It's okay. Title you can just say to paddy farming flow. వ్యవసాయాన్ని ప్యాడీ కదా అనేది. Yeah. It's okay. Please. I'm Telugu medium actually. I'm sorry. You can move on. We are good to go. Now, yesterday we have written one small diagram. I have explained one small scenario. Look at my screen. This is what you need to be understand. Exactly. Yeah. So here I have taken area. Here I have taken rice bags. If area is increasing, automatically rice bags are increasing. There is a relation in between actually. From this you need to understand, no doubt at all. Imagine if you're talking about other data point also, it is going to the sky. It is going to that's the main motto actually. Let me tell you, you don't have a data point which is the 5, but still if you know this diagram, you can predict for the next data point. You can predict for what, man? Next data point. For 5, how much actually? 50. We don't have that data point, but still we can do that actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? Okay. From this, how many existing data points actually? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 10. 2, 20. Did you remember in our data I have taken 1, I'm sorry sir, 1, 2, 3, 4 only. But Matplotlib explicitly done one extra task. In between 1 to 2, what it is giving? 1.5. 2 to 3, 2.5 respectively. This task who is doing actually? Matplotlib. But go back to the 7th standard. We need to buy graphs actually. Graphs 2 types again. Green color lo undevi, then red color, blue color sir. Okay, sorry. Red color lo kuda untayi actually. Maybe. Hey, let me tell you. Green, blue, red. One more time. Green, blue, red. We used to buy. Then we used to take that frequency actually, x-axis. What is the data point? We need to look at the data. What is the minimum value? What is the maximum value? We no need to take the point. I'm sorry. We no need to take that pain. Matplotlib will analyze actually. Who will analyze, sir? Are you getting? Move on. Let's take this one. We done this. Daniel, can I draw 2 diagrams? Yes, you can draw. You can change the colors also. To draw the 2 diagrams, x, y, p I have taken. Plot x comma y, plot x comma p. Repeating again, plot x comma y, plot x comma p. We can draw this. Yeah, you can. No, sir. Markers only star is a mandatory. If you are giving any other symbol here, you will get error, sir. You can try that. Yeah. Two lines we can draw. Imagine this one is a Samsung sales, this one is iPhone sales, something like that actually. Something like that. We can just have to understand. In a same diagram, in a same image, can we draw two lines actually, two line graphs you can draw, multiple lines you can draw. Creating so two line graphs actually, line charts. Mukhtar sir, no, we should not add. Line graph explanation is done. Now we are entering into the new graph actually. That is so called as a bar chart, also called as a bar graph. Get ready to understand. Yeah, important interview question. What is that important interview question? What is the difference between bar graph and histogram? One more time, bar graph and why? Because looks like same, okay, la kanpiste, but both are not same. Both are not same actually. I will tell you what it is. Now please make a note. This is called as a bar chart. So anyway, what is bar chart? I don't want to give the explanation as of now. Let's just have to keep the hold actually. This is so called as a bar graph or bar chart actually. Right? Now let me draw the diagram. Diagram draw chaddan chudandi. Understand the diagram first. Imagine we have a data. On x-axis what I'm taking, name of the month. On x-axis what I'm taking? Previously on x-axis we have taken numerical data. Numbers we have taken. What we have taken? On x-axis it's not only number, you can assign string data also. Point number one, you have to make a note. Okay, you can just have to take x-axis, string values also you can take. Nice. On y-axis numerical data, previously also numerical data. First point in a bar graph, x-axis string data, y-axis numerical data. Chappan sir, x-axis string data, y-axis. That string data is a month here, right? January, February, March, respectively. Keep on December. Man, according to the data, which month more sales actually? May month more sales here. May month more sales here actually. Imagine if I have given this list, this two value month I am taking in a list, sales also I am taking in a list. If I am asking which month more sales actually, trust me, for us it may take 2 minutes of time. How long time? Why 2 minutes? We need to compare. Where is the bigger number? Then again, that bigger number mapping with which month actually? It may take minimum 2 months. Not 2 months. 2 minutes. No time. Kani, I'm sorry. If you see the diagram, can I tell you? Fraction of nanoseconds. Fraction of? See, where is the 2 minutes time? 120 seconds actually. Where is your nanosecond? Data visualization gives clear picture actually. Clear pictures. Quickly you can walk through. Which month very less sales? January. Which month more? Imagine if I have given this data, if I am asking which month less sales, you need to start comparison. ఏ మంత్ తక్కువ ఉంది, where is the minimum value? Imagine you find minimum value is the 23, right? You need to start compare. Yeah, 23. But 23 mapping with which month? What is the mapping with which month? January. After 2 minutes, you may respond actually. Can I continue? Good. To create a line graph, you need to call a function. Function name is a plot. To create a line graph, you need to call a function. Function name is a plot. To create a bar graph, you need to call a function. Function name is a bar. What is the function name? Let me just try to call this. Yeah, it's bar, sir. Let's move on. Let me just try to import matplotlib as PLT. Month names and sales we need to take. Now title, X label, blah 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 blah. We already know this. Everybody look at my screen. Good, please. is, if you want, you can change this color also. By default it is displaying with the blue color. That is okay, you can still change actually if you want. Good.
Color
Good.
palette equal to
January, February, March, April, these are all actual. This is really very good, man. Did you notice what is the minimum value here? 0. Maximum value maybe, yeah, so you can observe here it's more than 200 actually. I can please follow the code. 213, but maximum value how much it is given? If you want, you can just try to save this one. Okay, it is above. Above is 300 actually. It is almost touching 300. Okay, let's take this one. This is the way we can create a bar graph or bar chart. Daniel, explain the definition for what is a bar chart actually. What is a bar chart, you know, Sachi? The few guys are talking, sir. Please be silent. The bar graph is the graphical representation of categorical data. What do you mean by categorical? You know, string data. What data mean? One more time. String data. Hold on. This is the keynote. Keynote, sir. Imagine there is a January value. January. In Python, it is called as a string. In Python, it is called as a string. In Pandas, it is called as a object. It is called as a object. You know, in maths, it is called as a categorical data. What data, Saji? Categorical data. Categorical antam. Even in machine learning, even in what, Saji? Machine learning, we can still call as a categorical data. This is the just to terminology change. Categorical. One more time. Mallu sir cheptara? Categorical. But if anybody is asking what is still, I wanted to know difference between string and categorical, I will give. What is that, you know? Hey Daniel, what is the difference between string and categorical data? Why especially math they are using categorical actually? Okay, let me tell you. The difference. First one, it's a characters. Here also characters. Group of characters. Group of what mean? Characters actually. But let me tell you, sir, no fixed range. Ikkada range ku fixed undadu. But here there is a fixed range. There is what mean? Fixed range. What do you mean by that? Then ardham endante, if I am asking names, what exactly mean? Names cheppamante, student names, never ending story. I mean to say, first name is Daniel, the next name is Samuel, the next name will be Raju, the next one Rani. Never ending story, no fixed range. But when you're talking about the categorical data, sir, there is a fixed range. Fixed. What do you mean by that, you know, Sarji? Tell me month names. How many month names, man? That's it. Only 12 actually. How many weekday names? That's it. Are you talking about the categorical data? The range is fixed. Chappan sir, range is. Are you talking about the string actually? No. Never ending story. Best example. Never ending story. Let us talk about the student names. Student names actually. Student, what exactly mean? Names. Never ending story. That's the main difference. Antaminchi inkem ledu. Hold on. It takes huge memory. It takes, huge memory to store the data. But it takes very less memory. That's the difference. It takes less memory. That's it. Nobody never ask an interview, but you should to be aware. 10:49, sir. Inko manaki 5 నిమిషాలు టైం ఉంది. Where are we? Yeah. So let me repeat again. The bar graph is the graphical representation of categorical data. Repeating again, the bar graph is a categorical representation of. Graphical representation of categorical data. Sometimes what they will do, what they will ask, the diagram what you are getting, this is so called as a vertical notation. Can you tell me, sir, what notation? Vertical. The diagram is kind of some vertical. You can also call it as a pole. Let us just to take this actually. But sometimes I need diagram like a horizontal. Sometimes I need diagram like a what we need to do, during that time, just to same code. Don't touch anything actually. Just to come to what is the function name? Bar. Just to add one letter name is a H. Horizontal. H means what, Saji? Horizontal. That's it. Over. Cinema is over actually. Exactly. Did you understand? Very simple, man. Just a horizontal. That's it. Right. We are getting that. No jantar mantar. Just we added one letter. What is that letter? H. H means? That's it. By default, vertical notation. By default, what notation? Vertical. Vertical. Can I go for here? By default, creating a bar charts. Default notation is vertical. Default representation is vertical. I need horizontal. Do you think here X actually? No. Where? Bar. Yeah. Let's move on. For vertical, do we need to give V here actually? No. Who told? No. Yeah. Move on. 1042. That's what we covered. These are example. Oh, very nice example. Very nice example. The same code actually. Same code. But let me tell you. Please observe the code. You talk with me. Em jarugutunదో cheppandi program lo. Correct. The point is very good. Very good. Nice observation. In the given program here, we hard coded the values. What we done? Hard coded actually. But in real time, let me tell you, we never ever hard code the value. We will get the, first of all, the data is in the form of list. But in real time, the data is in a file. The data is in a file, CSV file. Are you with me? Then if it is a file, load the file. Load what exactly mean? File. Come on, let us load the file. What is the file name? File name means sales 11. Where is sales 11? Let's just try to go back to the machine learning, go back to the data visualization, and yeah, here it is. Here it is, file. Now, though this one is a CSV file, this one is what file, Anna? CSV file. Then first, if it is a CSV file, you need to load the CSV file. How to load? Import. If you don't know how to load a CSV file, please, I will run away actually. Read underscore CSV. Sales 1 11.csv. Sir, we have a data frame. We have what, Sarji? Data frame. Did I miss anything? Sorry. If name mismatch, what happened? Oh, very good. We have a data frame. We have what, man? Data frame. Wait, chain. We'll get out. Yeah, exactly. Month and what, man? Sales. Though this one is a data frame, right? Yeah, Daniel data frame actually. God, man, there are two columns. How to display only column names? Columns attribute. How to know number of rows and columns? Shape attribute. Can I select a single column? Yes. There are two syntaxes. By using dot notation, next one is index actually. We know these are all like this. You need to apply. How to display top 5 rows?
Method.
Bottom 5 rows?
Method.
You guys. How to know information?
Info method.
We are good to go. Then let's move on. Daniel, this one I want, by using this one I wanted to make it as x-axis. This one I wanted to make it as a y-axis. Very simple. Then you can just have to go back. Matplotlib, import Matplotlib. First you are accessing. Yeah. Oh, no. Go to the next line. That's still okay. Order doesn't matter here. Find Daniel. Let's start searching. First one, title, x label, y label I wanted to provide. Title, x label, y label I am providing. Next one, bar. And here, bar is a function which is taking two parameters. Let me use dot notation, or I like what exactly? Index notation, sir. Why index notation? Space issue. No. Otherwise, you do one. You create x comma y. X equals to, you can assign this, y equals to. Sir, can I ask a question? If you are printing this one, what happen? Series. One more time. Series is output. Very good, sir. This is beautiful. Now I have a question. This data is coming from data frame. This data is coming from conclusion of the story data frame. You can draw the diagram. You can draw what? Diagram actually. Make a note on this one. Okay. Yeah. Daniel, can you open the data? Yeah, if you want, I can open the data. Data open చేసాను చూడండి. Exactly. May 213. December 130. Months. Next one. Sales. That's it, man. That's it for today. Maybe tomorrow I can continue. I thought I may close today, but it's okay. Creating a bar graph. Loading the data. No. Creating a bar graph. Bar chart from data frame. The more meaningful. Then you should know data frame. Let's close this. I will continue tomorrow. Tomorrow Saturday, we have a session. Very good. Saturday we have a session. Yeah. Please come up with more practice. Tomorrow remind me, though you may get in between Sunday, I may share one data analysis assignment. Okay. So seems to be today. I just need to upload only running notes, I guess. Kada? Yeah. File also.